Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. This is the Veikk VK2200 pen tablet or display tablet, and now I'm gonna show you how to change the nibs of this Veikk pen. To do it, of course, you can use any tool. You don't need the tool from the box of the Veikk. Of course, you can use your knees, you can use your nails, of course you can use scissors, knife or something else. Of course you can use even your teeth, but I will show you how to do it using your fingers. So of course it's too difficult to catch it using your fingers. So I suggest you to use the piece of paper. So just take the piece of paper and try to catch the nib using your fingers, and great, that's it. So using the piece of paper is really easier to do. So great, that's it. Thanks you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.